let's take you through the admin reload. This is particularly useful for newer shooters, and I'm gonna take you through some of the stuff I've seen over the years training newer shooters, all right? So, come up, pistol's empty, all right? No magazine, all right? Now, I index my magazine, I come up, I'm ready to load the gun. I wanna make sure I fully seat the magazine in the pistol. A lot of newer shooters, they get real tentative and they'll seat the mag in and they're afraid if they seat it too hard, the gun's gonna go off, all right? Key here is muzzle awareness, but also keeping your finger straight well away from the trigger guard. You wanna make sure it's fully seated, all right? You can even tug on it if you want to a little bit. Over time, when you put more rounds through the handgun and you've got more rounds downrange in general, you'll know when the magazine's seated and you won't have to tug on it. Now, I wanna come up, grab the slide all the way to the rear and release, all right? I do not wanna ride the slide forward. Another thing that is common with newer shooters, they associate the slide going forward aggressively with the gun going off. So what you'll see is they'll seat the magazine, but they'll come up and they want to ride the slide forward, and then they run the chance of inducing a malfunction. All right, so remember, fully seat the magazine, grab the slide all the way to the rear and release. Let the recoil spring do its job. All right, now let me clear this out. All right, let me do it from the other side. So here I am. Index on my magazine out of my mag pouch. All right, bring it up, fully seat. I want to come up over the top all the way to the rear and let it go. Let the recoil spring do its job and chamber around. Now you're ready to fire. All right, you're ready to go. Okay, let's talk about unloading the pistol. Remember, the first thing in is the magazine with ammunition. The first thing out is the magazine with ammunition. I want to get the ammo out of the gun. First thing. All right, now I want to get whatever's in the chamber, that round in the chamber, out. And I don't catch the round or anything like that. I think that's kind of a recipe for disaster. Ideally, you want to kick it out, let it hit the ground. You can always pick it up later. Now, visually inspect it, make sure the chamber's empty and nothing in the magazine well, you're good to go.